on your eyelids, but still I like this. Nykaa haul number, only God knows what. Just for this month, from next month onwards, you won't be able to see a lot of haul videos in my channel. Instead of numbering my Nykaa hauls, I guess I can call it as my monthly Nykaa haul. That will be better. So hi guys, I'm Shivanti. Welcome back. Welcome to my June month Nykaa haul. This time I didn't get a lot of stuff, just a few things. Why you became responsible? No chance. 2 items. Just 2 items. I added to my cart and my entire monthly shopping budget got collapsed. I was forced to buy only few items, nothing else. Initially, when I started living with my parents due to this lockdown, my father used to get irritated looking at all these online parcels which I ordered arrived at a footstep. But now, he kind of made peace with that. Because at some point of time, he must understand, right? Like to what kind of a creature he has given birth to. He understood. But he still has one problem. Like, have you noticed? These Nykaa people, even if you order a small product, it will come in one big dabba. Dabba will be at least this big and the entire dabba will be filled with recycled paper. In one corner, the product will be sticking. One day, my father was opening the parcel and he was shocked. He looked at me and he was like, hey, did you order garbage? I was like, garbage? For 7,000 nowadays, are they sending garbage or what? When I went and saw the product was sticking somewhere in the corner, it was not even the product. It was that complimentary sachets, wait, I'll show you. Sachets like this, like 2-3 sachets like this came in a separate dabba. I was like, what is this da? And I can't even throw all these boxes inside the dustbin. If I put one box, the entire dustbin will be occupied and nobody else will be able to use it. He will say something for that also. Nowadays what I'm doing, I'm keeping all these boxes and papers in one corner of my bed and I'm sleeping with that. The next day morning when my maid goes to dispose all the garbage, I'll request her to take these boxes and papers with her.
Welcome to Great Krigalan Magic Show.
So first thing I got this Maybelline mascara. Last haul also someone bought a mascara. It's me. Are you done with that? No. 99.9% of the time I won't even remember that there is something called mascara. This mascara I got 2 years ago. It is still there. This is the same mascara from L'Oreal which I got 1 year ago. This is also not over. It is still there. These two mascaras I got it last month. It is still there. It is not over. This mascara I got it this time. After 2 years I'll put one haul. In that I'll show. It'll still be there only. This is Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. I actually wanted to make a one brand makeup tutorial using just Maybelline products. So that's the reason why I got this mascara. Chumma I didn't buy. I've heard a lot of good reviews on this. So yeah, let's see how it works. And then I got this primer from Maybelline again. Primers, they never get over, no? For that you have to stop buying new ones and you have to start using already which you have, no? This is the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Primer with Clay. This is for normal to oily skin. I haven't tried this before and I haven't heard a lot of people talking about this as well. I got this to make that one brand makeup tutorial video again. So yeah, I'll tell you guys how it works in that video. And then I got this again from Maybelline. It is their liner and kajal combo. So many people, they won't be able, not so many people, some people, they won't be able to tell the difference between Lakme Iconic Kajal and Maybelline's Colossal Kajal, but I know the difference. The Lakme ones are so creamy, they glide on your eyelids, but still I like the Maybelline ones better than the Lakme ones because I feel that these stay a bit longer than the Lakme ones. 24 hours, smudge proof, waterproof, sweat proof. Nothing stays on the lids for 24 hours. The only thing which stays with me for 24 hours is my insecurity. Can you people hear? It's raining heavily outside. It actually came in a package like this. It reminds me of MAC packaging. So we have a kajal inside. and we also have a liner inside. Even this came in a separate packaging like the kajal, but I started using this. It's good. I really wanted to try K Beauty's eyeshadow sticks, so I got this one. This one is called Navigator. See, there were so many other decent colors, okay, but still I chose this. I don't know why I always choose a green, like blue, like this. You might think like, what's there in blue? In my place, no, I mean in the city where I stay, even if I wear bright red colored lipstick, people look at me like something's wrong with me. And just imagine me walking with this in my eyes. They're just gonna throw me out of the city border along with my family. I told you, no, I bought 2 products and it ruined my entire monthly shopping budget. Those are these 2 products only. These are lipsticks from MAC. One is in the shade Sin and the other one is in the shade All Fired Up. I actually wanted to do MAC lipstick swatches video, so for that I got these 2. Last month I posted one video, okay, my makeup collection video. My mistake only. Looking at that, few people were like, do MAC lipstick collection videos, do MAC lipstick swatches, like that and all. With what I have, if I do that video, it won't be nice. Like that, I convinced myself and I got these 2 lipsticks. And then I got this. This is Herbal Essences shampoo. Like you can see this in my every other Nykaa haul video. I guess this is my 3rd or 4th bottle. And hey, like few people were asking me for hair care tips, and some of you asked me to do a hair care routine video. Let me show you something. It might seem to you guys like as though I have so much hair, but the reality is if you squeeze it, that's it. Now tell me, do you still want to hear hair care tips from this? But if you still want to hear my hair care routine, then this is the shampoo that I've been using for the past 1 year. Like I use it in different variants, but this is the one. And I use this serum. This is from L'Oreal. It is their Extraordinary Oil Serum. So these are the only 2 products which I use on my head, and I don't even use a conditioner. While I was living in Chennai alone, whenever I sweep the floor, you know, I used to get this much of hair. I won't even have that much of hair on my head. It will be so shocking to see that much. Sometimes I used to get scared. Is there anybody else in this apartment other than me whom I cannot see with my naked eyes? Okay, we'll leave that topic. I used to have that much hair fall, and this is the only shampoo which genuinely helped with my hair fall. I don't know if it works for everyone, but it worked for me. And if you guys like to see a lot of haul videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. And after commenting, there is something called description box below this video. If you expand that, there will be an account number, my account number only, that is. Don't get scared, please transfer some amount. And then I got these Bioderma makeup remover micellar water basically. At first I ordered only this, okay, but then I found an offer where if you order this will come for free. And I got 4 nail polishes. The one which I'm wearing right now is this. This one is from Kiko Milano. The shade name is I'll mention it somewhere in the screen, okay. I love the shade. I love the shade, but I hate the product. It's not because it looks smaller than my brain and all, like it's so uncomfortable to apply. And also the formulation, you know, like if you apply single coating, you would still be able to see your nails, and then if you apply double coat, the first layer which you applied will come along with the double coat. It was so annoying for me to apply this. I would never buy this again. But then there was an offer going on Lakme. If you buy 2 nail polishes, you get 1 free. So this one, I love this shade. This one's called Mermaid. Yes, it's called Mermaid. And this one's called Poison. And this one's called Hemp. I got this Minimalist vitamin C serum. I already had one, but then I broke the bottle, so I got it again. My father, you know, till today, if some guests come to our house, he'll serve food for them in one fancy china plate. And after that, even my parents will have food in that same fancy plates only. But for me alone, he'll serve it in one steel plate and one steel tumbler. If I ask, Daddy, what is this? He'll be like, you have monkey hands and I don't trust you with these plates. I used to get so furious back then, but now, you know, after I started earning and I started getting stuff in my own money, now I realize what he meant by saying you have monkey hands. Anyway, I started falling in love with these minimalist products. At first I bought that AHA BHA peel thing, and it was so good. I'm really sorry, it's raining heavily outside and I couldn't help with the background noises, and I have to film this video because I have no time whatsoever to film it later. That AHA BHA peel, it was so good. The only problem is that for 2 days your skin will be peeling after using that. It is a very normal reaction when you use a chemical peel on your face. So I'll be looking like one zombie for 2 days. Other than that, it is a very good product. So I ordered this. This is vitamin C serum, as I said. And yeah, that's it. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging on till the end. I'm really sorry for the background noises. It's raining heavily. Please excuse that, and thank you so much for bearing this noise for so long. Tata.